Paul, we've travelled to TNC. Now, we're looking at the Star SB12R.
Yep.
Now, we've got a really interesting component here that, you know, that you've manufactured using HFT technology.
Yes.
Can you give us a bit of an insight to how you've manufactured this part and how you wouldn't have been able to have manufactured it without it?
Well, you know, how long the part is and the depth of cut we would need to take to produce this, because we've only got an X amount of drawback in the guide bush. So we had to take all this in one cut. So we produced a thread, rolled the thread to start with, and then we produced from the shoulder here up to the shoulder here using HFT, because if we didn't, the swarf would have been so much that we wouldn't have been able to hold the part on to produce a square on a second operation.
Now, the material is?
It is S143H.
So it's a stainless steel that is quite an horrible stainless steel when it comes to kind of bird's nesting.
Yeah, birds nest up around the job, very stringy, very hard to make chip, so that HFT obviously helps with that.
Now you've turned this diameter down to 5 mil, I believe, but what was the original stock diameter?
It was a 9.525, which is 3/8, yeah.
So you're taking around 4 mil off in one cut?
Yeah, one cut, about 2.5 mil per side, yeah.
Now, did you incur any bending problems with this?
No, there was no tapering, because obviously with sliding head you're right up against the guide bush, so no, it was perfectly parallel and no taper at all. So.
And you've also finished it off with some milling features at the end?
Yes, we block milled it on the end there, so the step and the tap and the hole was done on another machine, but yeah, it become off finished like on the end of the block. So.
Now, Paul, you know, we're concentrating on HFT in this interview. Would this part have been possible to manufacture and to manufacture it competitively, price-wise, without HFT?
No, not really, not competitively. I dare say we could have produced it, but it would have been a lot harder. We'd have had to have stops in the programme, maybe to clear swarf before the second head picked it up. So no, not competitively, no. It has really helped.